Is my PPT now visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Somehow I am managing. I have
Sir,
downloaded.
thank you very much.
Right. So, yeah, I'm taking you to the discussion of the characteristics of high EI and low EI people. So, to begin with the first one, is all about I am too sensitive, take everything personally. So, this is the sign of low EI people because they think that whatever is happening around the world, it's only because of them. The second thing is I do not know as to why I get annoyed at times. So this is also another sign of low EI people because when you say that I am not aware of what is happening to me, whether I am sad or happy, so it means that they lack knowledge about the assessment of their emotional perceptions. The third characteristic is that I believe I believe I have suffered most in this world. This is also what we call also low level of emotional intelligent people because people believe that they are the worst sufferer in this world, but they do not know that there are many other people at the railway platform, people at the bus stand, people sleeping on the streets are in the worst sufferer in this world.
So one
So they
second, sir. So presentation is not visible.
not visible.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
No, sir, it's dark.
Just a second. Actually,
Sir,
the
phone.
file I have loaded from some other places from my email. Yeah, we are here only. So
Sir,
can you
जैसे
see?
विंडो सर
Can
वी आर
you?
नॉट एबल टू सी योर प्रेजेंटेशन एक्चुअली जब भी आप वो फोन में या कहीं से होगा तो जैसे विंडो चेंज होगा वो
Is my slide visible now?
नो सर
No.
नो सर so if you allow then I can share on your behalf.
Is it visible? No.
Sir, if Krishna madam shares your presentation, that problem will be get solved.
Okay, how they will share? Should I email or what?
Yes sir, you just mail me. I'm just sending you the test mail immediately sir. Yeah, so you just share with Sarika ma'am, it's fine.
Okay, 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 okay. Uh, uh, can somebody tell me Sarika madam's email or something? Somebody's email, please.
Sir, I'm mentioning my email ID into the chat box. You just mail to me, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Please tell me.
Okay, sir.
No, not in the chat, but just spell out. I am typing on my mobile.
Um, A for Ahmedabad, P for Patna, AP,
Uh-huh.
under AP 2, 2 in digit.
AP2.
Yes, A for Ahmedabad, P for Patna, 2 in digit,
Yeah.
underscore.
Underscore.
C for Chennai, M for Mumbai, E for elephant, CME.
CME
Yes, at the rate
at the rate
GTU
GTU
dot edu
dot edu
dot in.
dot in. Okay, Krishna madam, Krishna Pormar.
Yeah, yes, sir. This is me.
Okay, okay, madam. I just sent you. You just remove the first
Yeah.
slide, then you share it.
Okay, sir.
Yes, madam. It is sent. 2 files I have sent. PPT
Okay,
as
sir.
well as a test on emotional
Not received
intelligence.
yet, sir. 1 second. I'm just refreshing my mailbox.
It's
Yes,
gone.
sir. Received.
Yeah,
Sir.
yeah, yeah. Please do that.
Yes, sir.
Please share it.
Yes. ये शेयर कर देते हैं नहीं हो रहा एंटायर स्क्रीन कर देते हैं My screen is visible
Yes.
and now presentation is visible, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, sir. On which slide may I go, sir? Ravindra, sir. Ravindra, sir. Ravindra, sir.
Yeah, please
Yes,
stop
sir.
sharing. Delete the first slide, then show me.
Okay, sir. Actually, you started from directly from your mail because it's on a.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. You just tell me that on what slide I supposed to.
Next.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I should move
No.
to the places.
Stop.
Okay.
Go down. Yeah, this one.
Yes.
Person with
Person
low
with
EI.
high
No.
EI.
Again, you have gone down.
Okay.
Go up. Person with low EI. You should start person with low EI. Low EI.
Okay, sir. Is
This
there-
one only. This one.
No,
Yes.
one more page is इससे पहले और एक पेज है.
Okay, sir. That's all. That's all.
बस.
Okay, fine.
This one. See, it is not important for me. The participants should be able to see it.
Okay.
I am
Everyone
having
able to see?
Yeah, just ask the participants.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. We can
Okay,
see.
Go ahead, sir.
We are able to see it.
Yes, go.
Wonderful.
Person
EI.
with low.
Yeah, person with low EI. I am
Person
too
with-
sensitive. Take everything
Yes.
personally. I do not know as to why I get annoyed at times The third characteristic is that I believe I have suffered most in this world. The fourth one is I'm not sure how people opine about me. This is a very typical, thing that we all expect from others, that everybody should praise us. We should be good in everybody's eyes, which is not possible in this world. Is it possible to be good to all in this world?
No.
But we always try.
Not possible.
And and that is the real cause of our pain. So that's why, we get emotional. If people say, how do I look like? How do I behave? How do I, how I talk to other people? How people think about me? So this always bothers because of we are always in search of to be perfect. There is nobody in this world is perfect. So therefore, the people who believe in that I'm not sure how people opine me is also a sign of low level of emotional intelligence. I express my feelings awkwardly in social situations because you lack emotional understanding. You lack familiarity with social situations. And, suppose you have gone to a five-star hotel and you are not acquainted with the etiquettes that you should behave in what way and how to eat foods. Like, you did not find any Indian foods. You will find Chinese food, Vietnamese food, Japanese foods, and you do not know how to handle the spoons. And you are in big mess. Then how to manage the situations? Many people out of fear, they collapse, they start shaking, etc., etc. So that is why they say that I am not sure how people opine about me and how should I express myself in different social situations. So feeling of awkwardness itself is a lack of low level of emotional intelligence. Next is, I find it difficult to handle pressure adequately. This happens to many of us, not many of us, in fact, to most of us. Because 50% of stress, emotional stress or psychological stress, is created by ourselves, the self. Many times what happened, in search of goodness or to be good to others or seniors, supervisors or head of the department or principal, we said, sir, whatever work you have, you please give it to me. I will do everything. But in the process, we could not do even single one. And at the end of the day, we are full of stress. People are asking, did you do my job? Did you do my job? And you are in a big mess. So that is why we find it difficult to handle pressure adequately because of our own perceptions, own ideas. I find it difficult to tolerate that I don't like. There is nobody in this world that everybody likes him or her. Then why do you think? So therefore, people, those who feel impatient by a negative comments, or the moment they get to know that people don't like him or her, hardly matters. Even all gods are not equally liked by people. What about human beings? Every man has his own preference. Somebody like X, somebody like Y. So therefore, if you are finding difficulty in this, that I find it difficult to tolerate that I don't like, it's a sign of a person with low level of EI. Can you go to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here I have also noted down some of the points like, low EI people are characterized by blind ambition, unrealistic goals, relentless striving, insatiable need for recognition and power, preoccupation with appearances, need to seem perfect. These are all characteristics of what we call low level of EI. In fact, it would have been very much enjoyable had we discussed these things in face-to-face interactions. But anyway, COVID is the real, difficulty that we are facing, and yeah, internet connectivity also disturbing us. But yes, blind ambition means tendency to win at all cost. If a person decides I will win at any cost, he will try to manipulate the entire situations. Unrealistic goals, setting up goals that are unattainable. There is a concept in organizational called neurotic manager. Anybody aware about this concept, neurotic manager? Neurotic managers are those who plan big, whose planning is huge one, but when it comes down to achievement, real life achievement, in real life situation, they fail. They are unable to attain their goals and objectives. So this is what we call neurotic managers. There is a very famous book written on this. If any one of you get a chance to read that book, it's very interesting. So relentless striving, if something is not working for you, never try. But people, those who keep on trying and finally fail, it's only waste of time, efforts, and energy. So therefore, people, those who are low EI, they always engage in relentless striving. Insatiable need for recognition and power, being addicted to glory, tendency to blame others for own mistakes. Suppose you are a team leader and you have failed in your project, never blame your team. Take the blame on your shoulder as a team leader. But low EI people always blame others. When success is there, they take all credit. It's only because of my leadership the team was successful. So these kind of people are what we call low level of EI. Preoccupation with appearances, being overtly concerned about public image, and the need to seem perfect, inability to tolerate failure. So these are what we call some sort of, low level of EI. On the other hand, people, those who are with high EI, they can easily sense feelings of others. Like, I can sense the feelings of others. There is a concept called telepathy. Like, suppose tomorrow you are staying in India, whatever you are thinking about your partner who is staying in America, exactly the same is happening to your partner. Is what we call telepathy. Similar kind of situation happens in organizational context. Suppose you are actually a person of high EI. In organization, you are the boss of 10 people. And suppose a person comes with a very sorrow face and enter your office. And as a leader or the head of the department, you ask the person, why are you so sad? Everything all right? You are taking stock of the emotional situations. No, your slide is one slide behind me. You go to the next. I am discussing person with a high EI. Yes, this one. Yeah. So therefore, people, those who are high EI, they can easily sense how actually you are feeling in a given situation, because they can understand your emotional mood looking at your face. Second point is, I get pleasure in challenges and try to solve them. High EI people, they easily get bored with stereotype of jobs, because emotion is full of energy, enthusiasm, creativity, creative pursuits. So therefore, high EI people always derive pleasure in challenging jobs. Next is, I can easily make acquaintances and friends, because friendship and relationships are based on emotional understanding. You must respect others' feelings and others should respect your feelings. That is how the relationship is built up. It is easy to create friends, but it is very difficult to create best friends, because friends, good friends and bad friends are based on your emotional connect. So if you can connect emotionally well with your friends, colleagues, family members, you will enjoy good and long lasting sustainable relationship. And this is nothing but your emotional understanding, what we call high level of emotional intelligence. And next point is, I point to the behavior, not to the man during. Never look at the physical features, how the person looks like. Even if a person does not look like, but his activities and performance is well, appreciate it, encourage him, respect it. That will take him miles away further. That is why we often say a little bit of verbal praise and appreciation will act as a force multiplier of your motivation. So emotion and motivation, they go side by side. So if you can understand others' emotions, you can better motivate others and you can become a great leader. So that is why EI leaders are great leaders compared to their counterparts, those who lacks emotional intelligence. I know how to make a positive emotion last when I experience it. So when you are happy, hold it and make use of your productive gains. Stretch out your thinking. So therefore, we have seen that even scientifically, it has been proved that people in happy moments can create many more things than in sad moments. Go to the next slide, please. Yeah, this one. And high EI people are characterized by high level of self-awareness, emotional literacy, empathy and compassion. Empathy and compassion are known as the two jewels of a high EI person. Why? Because if you are an empathic person, you can put your leg to others' shoe. You will be forced to understand, to know about others' hassles, others' sadness, others' happiness, how the person is living in a given moment of time, right? So therefore, compassion, a feeling of love for others, very compassionate. So compassionate people are better leader than their counterparts. Balance, being able to take decision, striking a balance between emotion and reason. So a person who can maintain a balance between emotionality and intelligence or reasoning, he can display a high level of emotional intelligence. Responsibility, taking primary responsibility for your own emotions. Very often we blame others that others made us unhappy or happy. No, it is you who is responsible for your own happiness, sorrow, and sadness. So therefore, never try to blame others. People, those who blame others, always or very soon will develop a very unhealthy personality. So therefore, being a responsible person is also a characteristics of a person with high emotional intelligence. So these are some of the characteristics that we highlighted. You can now close this one. You can close this slide, madam. There is another Word file you can open up.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
a
sir.
test
I'm doing.
Yeah,
Yes.
this is a test of emotional intelligence. Please, all of you, take the test. It will take 10 minutes. And maybe next 15 minutes, you will bind up the session.
Sure, sir. I'm just sharing. Few minutes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm
So
just
this
sharing.
is a psychometric test. There are around 33 statements answered on a 5-point rating scale. So please read out each statement and rate it. And then I will tell you the scoring. This is
Wait
a
for one
test. Yeah, this scale developed by a group of psychologists,
Where the link is shared? Where the link
No,
is
no.
shared?
I'm sharing a Word file with you, ma'am. Wait for a while. Sir, I shared a Word file with us.
Yeah.
Word
So-
file in email?
No, sir, ma'am. Right now I'm sharing on the screen.
If
So
you
my
have
screen
any
is-
group, if you have any group
Yes, sir,
WhatsApp,
I do have. I am sharing in the
you-
group also. I have
yeah,
already
group
shared into
WhatsApp
the
you
screen.
share, that is a better one, better way.
Yes, sir, I am sharing. To
Yeah.
my phone, I am
So
sharing.
that everybody can take the test. So you have 10 minutes from now, or 15 minutes, take 15 minutes, not an issue.
I'm sharing in WhatsApp group. Meanwhile, you can go through with this screen I'm sharing right now. I think my screen is visible to everyone.
It is visible, ma'am. If you can just little zoom it, it will help us.
Okay, fine, fine, no issue, ma'am. I'll do it.
Yeah,
Let's just
better.
let me just share. Do it properly. Okay,
Better, ma'am.
Yes. It's okay now.
I'm just sharing into the group also. Just give me a 5 minutes.
So how we are supposed to write on paper answer like one what and this is what we are supposed to do? Hello, sir.
Shared on the WhatsApp group. Participants, you may see it.
Ma'am, how we supposed to submit this test?
Let me ask this. Wait for a while. He hasn't shared.
Okay.
Yes. Let me just ask him. Pradhan sir. Pradhan sir.
Yes, madam.
How will collect the responses from the participants? Sir? They are asking.
No. We'll just discuss it. Let the
Okay,
participants
you just
have
note
their
down in
score.
your pen, take a pen
Yeah,
and paper and just note
you
down.
take pen, paper, and note down each. You will get each score against each item. So there will be 33 score because there are 33 items. And finally, you have to calculate the total score.
Okay, so I think now it's clear to everyone. I have already shared on the WhatsApp group. If you found difficult to see from the screen, and even in the screen, this is visible. We have already showing you 5 statement ones. After 2 to 3 minutes, I'll just scroll the screen also. Okay, so we have a 10 minutes time to read these statements and give the score accordingly. I hope now it's clear for all the participants.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. May I scroll down now?
I think everybody, if everybody has received in their WhatsApp, let them do of their own.
Okay, sir, it's fine. But if somebody found difficult to see from their mobile screen, it's visible on our screen also.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm not able to get this form, ma'am.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, this you have put this display with whatever is displayed here. I'm not able to get this form. How do I get this, ma'am?
Sir, are you there onto the WhatsApp group?
No, ma'am. Actually, it is not given to me.
Sir, already shared many times the link. No worries. Now my screen is visible to you, sir. Let me just do it again. I'm just sharing a tab. Let me just open the. I think is visible, sir. Is visible to you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please go.
Okay, I think some of you have done it. Can you, madam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, madam, scroll down to the end.
Sir, on which statement you are right now?
Ma'am, 31, ma'am.
Okay, so is there?
Yes, ma'am, done.
It's
Yeah,
done.
Vaishali, madam, done.
So now, sir, shall we start the discussion?
Yeah, please go down.
Yes.
No, go to the end of the
Okay.
page.
Okay. End
Is
of
the-
the page. Okay, fine. Sir.
Yeah. Scoring is given there. Yeah, this page. See, all of you now, please careful, listen. There are 3 items. Item number 5, 28, 33. These 3 are called reverse scoring. Do you understand the meaning of reverse scoring? Hello,
No,
Yes,
sir.
Krishna, Krishna madam.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
reverse scoring means all the items have been answered 1 to 4. But in reverse case, it will become 4 to 1. You got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please change your score. 1 will become 4.
Okay, for item number 5, 28, and 33, we have to reverse our scores. Right?
Yeah, please reverse the score. Yeah. Please reverse the score. Then you calculate the 4 dimensions that is noted down here. Perception of emotion, managing self-emotion, managing other emotions, and emotion facilitations. Once you get 4 scores, composite score, then you please let me know. Once you finish the calculation. If you have anybody having any query, you can ask me. No, not a problem. With regard to scoring, see, item number 5, 28, and 33. These 3 are reverse scoring. Reverse scoring in the sense you have rated each item 1 to 5. You have to reverse 5 to 1. Suppose you have given 5 to 5 or item now 28 or 33, any one of it. You have to make it, you have to change it to 1. 2 will become 4. 3 will remain as it is. So once you do that, then you go for dimension wise calculation.
Can you please repeat how the calculations are done again?
Which calculation?
Total count, sir, you are saying. Score.
Total name, madam. There are 4 dimensions. These 33 items measures 4 dimensions of your emotional intelligence. The first one consists of item number 18, 25, 29, 19, 5, 32.
Okay.
So
I was giving test, so maybe I missed all that.
okay. So whatever rating you have given to these items, you just add on.
Okay.
Yeah. So at the end, you will get a composite score for each dimension.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, man.
Plus, Three, 6, 23, 40. Yes. 6. 16 plus 1. Yes.
D14, good, very good score. Very good score. Right. D28. Who got 28 on D? It's a wrong calculation. D cannot be 28 because there are 4 items only. 7, 17, 20, 27. So maximum will be 20, minimum will be 0. Sorry, minimum will be 4. So if you have got 28 on D dimension, then you look into it again. That's a wrong calculation. Dr. Srinivasan, 18. Good, very good. Sorry, yeah, D16. Good. D9. Okay. Very good. So it seems that you all are high EI people. It's a good sign for being a good teacher. You must be a good teacher also, it seems. And yeah, there are certain implications. See, I could see, yes, Anji Naik, yeah. Good score, very good score. See, this is a self-help exercise. You should give the accurate scoring, not the ideal score. The moment you give ideal score, then it will not benefit you much. Hina Thanki, yes, good score. High EI. Yes, Dr. Hina, yeah, please.
Hello, sir. I have a question that, till now, whatever EI assessment I have come across, they are having approximately 20 to 30 questions, minimum 30 questions are there. But when, I'm a researcher in finance field and literacy and behavioral bias and all, this is my research field. But when joining all the questions together, the question has become so lengthy that getting the ethical response from the respondent, it becomes a challenging task, because generally the researcher will say that when you go above 40 questions, the false positive or false negative response start coming in the questionnaire.
Yes.
So is there any small EI tools that which is effective, yet the questionnaire or the scale is smaller to assess the EI.
You want a short version of EI or what?
Yes, so is there any other scales which are smaller in a nature which can be practically, applied in a research with high accuracy?
Yes, there are. I think there is a 16 item EI scale developed by Wong and Law.
Okay.
Wong and Law scale, Wong and Law emotional intelligence scale.
OM and LEND.
Wong, WONG.
Okay.
He
Okay.
is I think, Hong Kong based psychologist.
Okay.
So it is cross-culturally validated across different groups,
Okay.
and the scale is used both in academics as well as in corporates.
Okay.
So
Sir,
See,
is there any, this is the self-explanatory. So people may try to be nice in answering. So is there any, situation-based scale for EI? That
Yeah.
we give a situation and then how they'll react. I think this will give a more better,
that's a good question.
validation.
Yeah, that's a good question. I have today that exactly I did. I did a very projective test and
Yes.
psychometric test.
Yes.
Right. Initially, I found that in projective test, you people who did not score much like you are scoring now.
Yeah.
So where is wrong? Because wrong lies in the scale itself.
Yes, so that is why I am concerned because I want to really use EI, but I want to use the scale which is
Just a moment.
projective or experience or situational.
The problem is that, madam, it's not the problem with the test. It's the problem with the test taker.
Yes, but that is what is general mentality. People, like to be nice.
Being nice, yeah. To be nice, being nice. So faking is always there in questionnaire, right?
Yes.
But faking is less in projective test.
Yes.
But the difficulty in projective test is that you need to be well trained.
Yeah.
You should have a strong command and control over the subject and assessment, interpretation, evaluation. Ordinary people cannot do. Only psychologist, well-trained psychologist can do it.
Okay.
So that is the problem with the psychometric test. Although psychometric test is more powerful test than the projective tests are more powerful than psychometric because it goes into the in-depth analysis of human behavior. But psychometric tests, although they are not so powerful, but they are statistically valid tools. Psychometrically, they are valid and they measure with accuracy of 95%. So therefore, it is up to the test administrator to create a situation of honest answering to the tool.
But sir, generally the questionnaires are filled in a distance environment, isn't it? The surveyor is not present in some of the situations.
So this is the lacuna in survey research. So
Yes.
that's why as a researcher we advise you go for mixed method. Okay.
Yes.
Survey mixed method does not mean the combination of projective test and psychometric test.
Yes.
Mixed method means you can go for both qualitative and quantitative,
Okay.
right? Qualitative means you can develop some qualitative tool or you give a situation.
Yes, so that is why I want to ask that is there
And-
any situational questionnaire available for testing the EI?
And ask the participants to respond to it.
Yes. So that is what, like
That
in a
is what.
risk analysis, we have a situation-based question. That imagine you have invested there, this happens, what you do now?
Exactly.
So same way, do we have any scale like this which has emotions and then the people are supposed to take the decision that in this situation?
There are
what they-
Mayor and Salavi school test is based on this kind of tool. I do not have. I developed one scale for when I was in DRDO for selection purposes in armed forces, right?
Okay.
But that is not a commercial tool. That is not available in outside market,
Okay.
right?
Sir,
So
we have 2 questions in the chat box. Kinshal ma'am is asking, what is the importance of a reverse number? Kindly,
so yeah, reverse items are given to maintain a balance between positive and negative items and to restrict the test taker to engage in faking.
and sir, one more question from Dr. P. Karthikeyan. Is this question suitable for all the age groups?
See, I have administered in corporate sector as well as in academics. So I think it is applicable in all age groups. And if you want to have your specific age groups, you can develop your own two terms cutoff score, no problem.
Okay, thank you, sir. Is there
Yeah.
any more question from the participant side?
For anxiety, what type of psychometric test will be useful?
Yeah, anxiety scales are there, madam, available in market also. So you can buy a tool for measuring somebody's anxiety. Even personality tests are also applicable, like Big Five factor, Big Five personality factor. We call it ocean model: openness, conscientiousness, neuroticism, agreeableness, then yeah, these are five dimensions.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So this test also, neuroticism also measure somebody's neurotic tendency in terms of anxiety, etc. But there are also exclusively anxiety scales are available in the market. If anybody interested, you can also go for. Yeah, my email. In fact, I shown in my first slides. Like some people are interested to know the email. Madam Krishna, madam, can you note down my email address here? rkpradhan@hss.iitkgp.ac.in. It is there inside the slides I was showing. So I'll also share the slides. Probably, I think the coordinator of the course will share with you all, right?
Yes, sir.
So-
I'm be going to share. So I'm just sharing into the chat box.
Okay. But the slide that you shared here right now,
Yes, sir.
don't share it as it is, because
Okay.
the flat slide, this slides was meant for some other program as written in the first slide.
Okay, no issue, sir. I'll remove the first slide. No worries.
The first slides you can remove, then you can share other slides with all.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure. Sir.
Otherwise, the new slides I will be sending to the coordinator.
Sir, there is an email ID not mentioned in the first slide.
No, when I started my lecture, it was there.
No, but the mail you have just sent me, for the PPT, there is no email ID. But you have just mailed me from the rabi2020@gmail.com, sir.
That is also my Gmail. You can also.
Yeah. So can I share this with the participants, sir?
Sorry, you can share with. Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Okay. Oh,
The
fine,
only
sir.
thing
I'll
is that
share.
this
I'll share.
2020 Gmail ID is actually traffic jam now. The space is very limited.
Okay,
So
sir.
my
I'll check it
institute,
out from.
you can note
your
down my institute email ID, rkpradhan
Okay.
@
Okay.
HSS, like humanities and social science,
Okay. HSS.
.ac.in.
Okay, sir. I will just post it to the chat box.
Yeah, this is
Kindly
correct.
verify.
This
Yes,
is very correct. No, sorry. सॉरी मैडम, HSS के बाद रहेगा iitkgp.ac.in.
Okay, fine, sir. I'll just change it.
Yeah, correct it and share with them.
IIT KGP.
At hss.iitkgp.ac.in.
Oh, 1 second, sir. I'm just posting it again. Is this fine, sir?
Yeah, this is fine. Perfect.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Anyway, again, I will come back for my next session.
Yes, sir. Will be there.
So I will also share the details there itself.
No issue, sir.
Yeah, somebody was asking if my EQ is high, then I could not get the questions. Can somebody read it out?
How do I know that I am with high EQ or low EQ from this score, sir? This is the question.
That is why. See, the general interpretation, if you are scoring high on this scale, then your EI is high. Means, say for example, how many items are there in the first dimension? Can somebody tell me? Say for the last dimension. Say for the
items.
last dimension, we have how many items? 4 items?
4 items.
Yes, 4 items.
Yeah. So minimum will be 4, maximum will be 20. So anybody scoring 15 to 20 is a high EI people. You can calculate the mean score. Higher the mean score, higher the EI. Or on the raw score itself, if you have more than the midpoint, you have average. Say for examples like 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. Say for there are 4 categories of score. And you fall between 15 to 20, it is an excellent score. 10 to 15, average score. 5 to 10 is a sorry.
చేస్తే ఆయన సీట్లో లేకుండా నా దగ్గర పెట్టుకుంటాను అంతే. జనరల్ గా
మళ్ళీ ల్యాబ్కి ఇచ్చినాము.
డాక్టర్ శ్రీనివాసన్.
Srinivasan, sir, please mute your mic.
So I am telling you the interpretation.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you score 0 to 5, it is a very poor score. 5 to 10 is a poor score. 10 to 15 is a good score. 15 to 20 is an excellent score. Is that correct to all of you? Thank you. So now you can put your score on this categorization and accordingly you can evaluate yourself. So there are many methods to calculate the cutoff scores. Age-wise norms, grade norms, cutoff score, standard scores. So there are many psychometric principles are there. If you want to develop a scale, you can read some psychological testing books and you can also very well do it. But yes, you know, on psychometry, even I conduct 2-3 days MDP or management development program on psychological testing and assessment. No, popular sites are not available. You can get popular articles. You can Google search. If you have a National Digital Library, you can go to different psychology and management journal. Just write keyword emotional intelligence. You will find many articles. How it is related to motivation, commitment, leadership, performance, health, happiness, many things. In the next class, when we will be doing mapping of EQ, I will let you know more details about that. Okay. So with these notes and assessment, thank you all for attending. Irrespective of all technical hitches and problems, we could manage and continue the discussion. on emotional intelligence and assessment. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next class, madam. Yeah, madam, I'm
Yes.
through.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
so much,
Thank you.
sir. Actually,
Thank you,
well,
sir.
despite of many issues, we have concluded our session and go through with all the details we are looking for, and all the participants.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for the being patient and the supporters. We could shift our platform from the WebEx to Google Meet, and you all have supported a lot. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. See you in the next session. Again, we are
Thank you.
just looking forward to your next session. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Bye bye, everyone, and take care and be safe. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you, sir. All the participants will see you at 3 with the same link through the Google platform only. I've just already shared onto the WhatsApp, and I'm just going to mail you very soon. For tomorrow, I'll instruct you once we'll finish today's session. So thank you again for being so patient. Thank you so much.
Madam, what about feedback link?
Feedback, sir. I'll do one thing today. I'll just share all 3 links at the day end. Even we have already collected who have already filled, no issue with that.
No,
Who have
for
already
the first
for-
session we have.
Madam, attendance link, please share it on
yes,
WhatsApp group.
I'm doing for today. I'm sharing all 3 links once we'll finish today's session, because you even know that how we are just going through with
Yeah, we
the
understand.
connectivities and the weather and all issues. No worries. I'll share all 3 links at the day end into the WhatsApp group for your convenience. Is it fine?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
No
so
issue.
see you at 3 sharp. I know there is a very less time, but 20 minutes you can manage your lunch. So see you at 3 with our next.
Thank you,
And
madam.
again, we have a same kind of exercise in our 3rd session, more on practical aspects. So looking forward to all of your support. Thank you so much.
Okay.